Welcome to another Excel tutorial. My name is Gabriel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to calculate the number of working days between a period of time, taking into consideration holidays, PTO days, and weekends. For this example, I'm going to calculate my working days in 2022. I have already added here the start date and the end date for this year. The holidays that I have, the national holidays, the public holidays, which are usually days off if they come in a working day, and the total number of PTO days that I would have in a year. PTO is paid time off, if you're not familiar with that. Now the function that we're going to use, it's called NETWORKDAYS.INTL, and this is a function that returns the total number of whole work days between two dates, and we get to customize a lot of things. The first parameter is the start date, and I'm picking the January 1st, and the second one is the end date, which is the 31st of December. Next, this function offers the option to pick what is our weekend. So for some people, they have to work 6 days out of 7. So for that particular case, we need to pick between 11 and 17, meaning that you will get to pick the only day from the week which you have off. Also, we get to pick floating weekends. If you're someone that has to work, for example, Saturday and Sunday and gets Monday and Tuesday off, then you will have to pick an option from here. In my case, I will pick the first option, Saturday to Sunday. And for the last parameter, I'm picking the holidays. And for that, I just have to provide this range of cells where I already added my holidays. And if I close the parentheses and hit enter, I get 251 working days in 2022 for myself. From this number of working days, I'm going to subtract the PTO days because those are also days off. And with that, we get 225. Now, this is the formula that we have to use to calculate the total number of working days that we have in a particular period of time. If you learned something new from this video, please give it a like, leave a comment, subscribe, and see you in the next video.